Hey there, in this tutorial we'll explore the Multilingual Translator use case. It allows you to translate text or the entire document into the language you need. You can ask your questions directly or tag an AI assistant. Let us use a pre-made AI assistant called Qlingo for this example. Ask it something like, what document do I need to submit for onboarding? Can we schedule a call to discuss it this afternoon? To French. And here you have the translated response ready to paste into a chat, message, or email. Let us try another example, Spanish this time, to English. Now let us look at a document. Upload your file and simply ask, translate the uploaded document to German. That's how easy it is to translate content with QAnswer. Try it out with your own text and language of choice. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.